So what is the nade? Tell me. Here. Correct. With the talam, nade and 5. Everyone, you can just observe how he does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. The theory is correct, but practical, the talam is running when you come to tadiginato. See, look here. Tadiginato, tadiginato, tadiginato. That has to be accurate. Tadiginato, tadiginato, tadiginato. Try only that tadiginato, try. From here. Fourth count. 1, 2, 3. Tadiginato, tadiginato, tadiginato. Again you are running a little bit. Tadiginato, tadiginato, tadiginato. 1, 2, 3. Tadiginato, tadiginato, tadiginato. Come on, try. Again, 3 times. Again. See, with me doing it together, you are getting it, but when I do trying it alone, you are running. So that's where the practice is needed. Okay, try a couple of times. Tadiginato, 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 tadiginato. Try 2 more times. Can you try?
From the ladder?
Yeah, from another. Bit louder though. As loud as possible.
Takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, 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 tadiginatum, tadiginatum, tadiginatum.
Very good. Again, one more time.
Takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, 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 tadiginatum, tadiginatum, tadiginatum.
Good. Yeah. Very good. Next. One of you 4. Okay, speak up. Okay, please check. Very good. Madam. Try. So you said tadim, ginato. So that became 6. So we are in 5 now. Yes. It's okay, you can try it. Louder. 3, 4. You missed one takita. It has to be takita, takita, takita. Then 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try. You will get it. takita, 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 tadigina, tom, tadigina, tom, tadigina. Try. One, two, three, four.
Takita, takatakita, 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 takita, takita.
One more takita, that's it. 3, 4.
Takita, takatakita, 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 takita, takita, tadikina, tadikina, tadikina.
Almost. Once again. One more time. 3, 4.
Takita, takatakita, 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 takita, takita, tadikina, tadikina, tadikina.
Okay, good. So I will give you a simple one. Tadinganata is relatively simple for Aditaram in Tisra. So takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, taka, takita, takita, then tadim ginatum, tadim ginatum, tadim ginatum. So do one cycle of the nade and next cycle with takita, takita, tadim ginatum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone tala please. No, only talam. Okay, don't stop the talam. So she will take on samam, okay? Everyone. You're going a little fast. Yeah, fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, takita, one takita. So that get takita, taka takita, taka takita, one taka takita, one taka takita, one. That one has to be in your mind. Takita, one taka takita, one taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, takita, tadhim ginatum, tadhim ginatum, tad. You both can do together. Try. 1, 2, 3, loud both. The reciting was okay, but the talam was all over the place. So with the talam perfect, reciting perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. Tadhim ginatum, tadhim ginatum, takita. Takita, tadhim. Again, 2 more times. Takita, takita. Again. Tadhim ginatum. One more time. Takita. Taka. Takita, takita, tadhim. Again, one more time. Takita. Okay, any doubt so far? Maths, the syllables, everything is clear. So we can go to the next one, 7. Or you can try one more time, 6. 4 of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just put the tala. You have to say it loud. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times. Again. Now let's go to 7. The first cycle is the same, Nade. Second cycle is 1 Takita, followed by
Takita tat gina tat gina tat
correct. So Takita, Taka Takita, Taka Takita, Taka Takita, Taka Takita, Ta, Dim Gina Tota, Dim Gina Tota, Dim Gina Tota. Okay. First, let's all try together, then one by one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Takita ta dim gina tota dim. 3 times. Dim gina tota dim gina. Ta dim gina tota dim. 3 more times. Takita. Dim gina tota. Ta dim gina tota. Ta. Last 3 times. Takita. Louder please. Takita. Taka takita. Taka takita. Ta dim. Takita. Last time, one more time. Takita. Dim gina tota. Dim gina tota. Dim gina tota. You two. One by two together. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Takita taka takita taka takita taka takita taka takita tat gina tota gina.
Very good. Again.
Gina takita taka takita taka takita taka takita taka takita tat gina tota gina tota.
One more time.
Takita taka takita taka takita taka takita taka takita
Ta
gina tota gina tota gina tota.
Okay. You can sing? You can do? With a company? Okay. 3 of you together. 1, 2. Okay, 2 of you. You will do alone later.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina tota. Takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina tota. Takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina tota.
Takita, taka takita.
Taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina tota. Taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina
Again.
tota. Taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, taka takita, ta dim gina tota, dim gina tota, dim gina tota.
Very good. Just show him how to play this. Morganese. You Morganese that one? So here for the vocalist and the flautist, F sharp.
Yeah.
F sharp is also okay. The Nade will pick one raga today. Different raga. What? Kalyani? Kalyani is okay? Okay. So first, Takita, Taka, Takita. Keep that as open, like improvise. Every time it can be different. Then Takita, Takita, Takita. That you can fix. And Tadigina, Tadigina, Tadigina. That also you can fix. So Takita, Taka, Takita, that Nade part can be different each time. I will give a small example once they are done.
Oh, yeah.
2 times. Mid. With left. And your right can be strong. You need to give power to the right. ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಓಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವ ತಾಳ 1 semitone. He will explain about it.
It goes from F sharp to a G, D sharp.
Oh, okay.
It has limitations.
So 1 key low, 1 key up is fine.
Yeah.
But if it is more than that, you have to get a new mudra.
Yeah, mine is E right now.
You can bring it to F4, F sharp.
Yeah.
Yeah, with tuning. Do you have Calcutta?
I don't have the stave, but I have the
Stone.
Only the stone.
yeah.
Oh.
So the stone I can pitch it up. I just,
Yeah, but yeah, it's better to always tune with the stick and the stone together.
yeah.
Okay, you can sing what you have done. Then let's see, he can also play the same thing. First you can sing alone, then you will join her. Very good. The last time you can always do Dari sa ni da pa ga ma pa da ni sa. That's kind of a standard pattern. Also, that gives that energy. Okay, one more time, same thing. One, you got it?
I need to hear.
You can just explain to me. What is the first one? Da pa pa ma ga ma pa da pa da ni ga ri sa ni da pa. So for the second one, start from the low. Sa ri ga ma pa da ni sa ri. For the Tadinginatha. Ready? Shall we start? So everyone can recite the Konakol with the 5 Tadiginato 3 times. They will join you on vocal and flute. Ready everyone? What language is English? You write in English? 1. Ready everyone? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we will do the Tadinginatha. Okay, you can quickly write down. Or you want to come up with something? Start from low. Sa re ga ma pa da ni. Write down. Done? Done? What is that?
It's a little difficult for me to think of it.
Difficult?
Yeah,
What is difficult?
like I can't think of it.
You're sounding good. Start from low, sa. Sa re ga. Write down. Sa re ga ma pa. Ga ma pa da ni sa re. Got it? Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re. Sa ni ga ri sa ni da ri sa ni da pa ga ma pa da ni sa. So ಅವನಿಗೆ Tadinginatha ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಸಂತೆ? Tadinginatha ಗೊತ್ತು he knows. Remember this because later we have to do 5, 6, 7 together. The notes. Remember the notes. Ready? Can you sing once alone?
I think you have to repeat it once.
Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa re ga ri sa ni ga ri sa ni ga. Done? 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa re ga 2, 3, 4. Gari, sa, ni, da. Gari. Re is longer.
Yeah.
Gama, pada, ni. Okay. Together, everyone, reciting and playing. 1, 6, the combination of 6, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, we will do one more, the 7. Ni, da, ni. Ni, da, ga, re, ga. Let this be little different. Ni, da, ni. Takita. Ni, da, ga, re, ga. Ni, da, ga, re, ga. Ga, re, ni, da, ni. Ni, da, ga, re, ga. Ni, da, ga, re, ga. Ga, re, ni, da, ni da, ga, re, ga. Pa, da, ni, sa, re, ga. Re, sa, ni, da, re, sa. Ni, da, pa, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So, ಈಗ madam ಅವರು they have dance for this. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇದು ತಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆ ಇದು. This is different. ತಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆ. Same. So who is
Patterns, people patterns.
so who is dancing?
We were told to see. And,